Hey folks, it's Carl. Just a quick one. I'm changing the ATF oil in my Super AYC diff. You can see the gears in there if you zoom in. But I was lazy because I got a Super AYC diff and the fill hole's a bit different to the AYC diff. That's the AYC fill hole location. This is the Super AYC one. I never bothered drilling out the subframe, so am I lazy? Yeah, maybe. But anyway, you can drop the diff down low enough to get to this just by removing the front mounting bolts from the side here, 3 on each side, and loosening the top 2 and putting a jack under it. You'll obviously have to remove your AYC lines and bleed them here anyway to get to this bolt, because that bolt there on the right hand side is covered by these lines. They come down past it into 2 holes there. But yeah, you can drop it and get access to the fill hole. But do you reckon my fluid needed changing? It's normally a cherry red colour. Yeah, I kind of went a little bit far with that oil. So yes, it's definitely time for a change.